Hello, I'm Pat Byrne at the Colorado State University Research Farm in Fort Collins, and I'd like to show you a few things about corn domestication and breeding. So what we have right here is the ancestor of corn. This is known as teosinte, native to Mexico, and this is where corn came from. Through many years of selection by Native Americans for improved plant type and seed type, this became corn. And through many additional generations of selection, according to modern breeding, turned into something like this row right here. But let me point out for you some of the differences. Some things you'll notice is that the teosinte is shorter. It's multi-branched rather than the single stalk of corn that we know now. And the reproductive parts are much smaller. So you'll see that there is a tassel, just like on our modern corn. And if you look closely, there are very tiny ear structures, which are recognizable in a very reduced way to modern corn. And here is the seed-bearing structure. Has 2 rows of seed compared to the 22 rows that we see on modern corn. So some really big differences have taken place. Another one is that some of the tassel-bearing structures also have seeds on them. Okay, so the tassels are the male part of the plant, the seeds are the female part. And in modern corn, those two parts are completely separated. We have the tassel where the pollen is produced, and then we have the ear for the seeds. But in this primitive strain here, that reproductive separation is not complete. There's still some overlap there. So this modern corn, this is a Roundup Ready hybrid, so it's genetically engineered to be herbicide tolerant. So just to point out some of the differences again, taller height, single branch, ears much larger, wider leaves, and the leaves tend to be more erect. That's believed to be a property that allows more light into the canopy and catches the light at a better angle, so for better photosynthetic efficiency. This process of domestication was repeated in different parts of the world with different crops, but it's a pretty amazing part of human history, the power of human observation and selection of particular characteristics that eventually led to our food crops.